all sturdy and solid. Should work pretty good. Now what I do want to do is I'm going to clean this up. Picked up just some 150 grit sandpaper. And I'm just going to sand it up and polish her up real good. 150 should be good. I might want to use 220. This 150 is going to be pretty shiny. But you guys, you can see the difference on how that's going to look. It's going to be and I kind of like it not perfect. I just want it shiny, so when it does get nice and clear coated here, it'll just stay that way. Well, for a little bit at least. This is my pipe I'm burying in the ground. I'm just going to paint it black. It's obviously all rusty and nasty and terrible looking. So I'm just going to sand this up, paint it up, throw it in the ground. No big deal. But I know you guys want to see it. So. And my clear coats, this stuff dries so fast. We'll give this another shot. That's about all it takes. So yeah, on with the projects. Thanks guys. Oh, so let me show you this too. So I got my hooks done and in, and I used just a simple like keyring loop for the middle bit. So we got our hanging grill, and I got a bunch of extra chain. I'm going to put a big hook in the end of this guy. So what I'll be able to do is adjust my height. Whatever, this will stay hooked, and I'll adjust my height with the chain, and we'll be grilling some burgers. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, stay tuned.